Hey, Mia, how's it going?
Good morning, Jake. I'm doing very well, thank you. How have you been?
Whoa, a formal start today. I'm great. What's up? Long time no see.
It has only been one day. That was a lot of greetings at once.
It's the perfect way to start our topic for today.
It sure is. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Real English Talk.
We're your hosts, Jake and Mia. We help you learn everyday American English.
Today, we are talking about a very important skill, how to greet people and say goodbye.
First impressions are everything, and so are last impressions.
Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button and like this video if you find it helpful.
Don't forget to look at the description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific part of our show.
Let's start with formal greetings. These are for professional situations.
Okay, the serious stuff, like when you have a job interview.
Exactly. The most common are based on the time of day, like good morning.
Good morning. You say this anytime before 12 p.m. or noon.
After that, you switch to good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This works from 12 p.m. until about 5 or 6 p.m.
Then, for the rest of the night, you say good evening.
Good evening. Remember, this is a greeting. It is not how you say goodbye.
How do you do?
How do you do? This one always confuses me. It feels a bit old-fashioned.
It is. The funny thing is, the correct response is just to say it back. How do you do?
That's right. It's not really a question about how you are.
A safer and more modern choice is, it is a pleasure to meet you.
It is a pleasure to meet you. This is perfect when meeting a new boss or a client. Okay, now for my favorite part, informal greetings. Let's get casual.
These are for friends, family, and people you know well, like the simplest one. Hey.
Hey, it is simple, effective, and everyone uses it. You can't go wrong.
Another really popular one is, what is up?
What is up? It just means what's new or what are you doing. Friends often shorten it to just sup.
Mm-hmm. And then there's, how is it going?
How is it going? This is just a relaxed way of asking, how are you?
Right. If you haven't seen someone for a little while, you can ask, how have you been?
How have you been? This is great for catching up with an old friend.
And speaking of old friends, my favorite is, long time no see.
Long time no see. It's so friendly and shows you're excited to see them.
Now, knowing how to respond is just as important. Let's practice some answers.
Yes. Don't just say, I am fine, thank you. It sounds like a robot.
I am doing great, thanks.
That was positive and friendly.
If you're just okay, you can say, not bad.
That is a very neutral, common response.
Another good positive one is pretty good.
Pretty good. I use this one all the time.
There's the classic American response, can't complain.
Can't complain. It means things are good. There's nothing to complain about.
And if life is just normal, nothing special?
Then you say same old, same old.
Same old, same old. It means every day is the same as the last. Let's talk about meeting someone for the very first time.
This can be stressful for me. I always worry I'll forget their name immediately.
Everyone does that. Don't worry. The first step is an introduction. Hi, I'm Mia.
And I would say, hi Mia, I'm Jake. Then you use the magic phrase, nice to meet you.
This is the standard, polite phrase for a first meeting.
It is great to meet you.
Oh, good one. That shows you are genuinely happy about the introduction. Then you can say, I have heard a lot about you.
Now, what if your friend has told you about this person before? I have heard a lot about you. This is a nice compliment, but make sure it was good things.
And if you forget their name, just be honest. Say, I'm so sorry, what was your name again? Okay, after a great conversation, you need a good goodbye. Let's cover formal goodbyes first.
These are important. You want to leave a good final impression at work.
It was a pleasure speaking with you.
It was a pleasure speaking with you. This is the formal version of it was nice talking to you.
You can also wish someone well. Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day. This is always a kind and professional thing to say.
I also really like take care.
Take care. It works in both formal and informal situations. It's very versatile.
Finally, if you plan to see them again, you can say, until next time.
Until next time, it's a nice way to close a meeting and look forward to the next one. And now for casual goodbyes, the easy, everyday stuff.
Right. The most common is probably see you later.
See you later. You can shorten this to just later. It doesn't literally mean you'll see them later today.
A fun alternative is catch you later.
That is very relaxed and friendly.
I like telling my friends, take it easy.
Take it easy. It's a goodbye and a piece of advice all in one. It means relax.
At the end of a phone call, you might say, talk soon.
Talk soon. This shows you want to have another conversation in the near future.
One more thing you could say is, I will see you around.
I'll see you around. You use this when you don't have definite plans to meet again, but you probably will.
Okay, I think it's time to put all of this into practice. It's role play time.
Awesome. Let's do it. What's the first situation?
We are two business professionals meeting for the first time at a formal work event.
Okay, I'll be on my best behavior. I'll start. Good evening.
Good evening. My name is Mia Taylor.
It is a pleasure to meet you, Miss Taylor. I'm Jake Peterson.
It's great to meet you too. Your company's work is very impressive.
Thank you. Well, I must find my colleague. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
You as well, Mr. Peterson. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Take care.
And scene. Wow, that was very formal.
See? I can do it. Okay, let's do an informal one. It'll feel more natural.
Okay, we are two old friends who run into each other at the supermarket. You start.
No way, Mia. Hey.
Oh my gosh, Jake, what's up? Long time no see.
I know. How have you been? It's been ages.
I'm pretty good. Just doing some shopping. How's it going with you?
Can't complain. Hey, I have to run, but we should really hang out.
We totally should. Okay, well, I gotta go. Catch you later.
All right, talk soon. Take it easy.
That was great. The difference between formal and informal is so clear there.
Yeah, using the right tone is super important. It all depends on the situation.
And that is all the time we have for today's episode. We hope it was useful.
Now you have a lot of new ways to say hello and goodbye.
Now it's your turn to practice. Please leave a comment below. We can't wait to read your comments and say hello back.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this episode. It helps our show grow.
Thanks so much for listening to Real English Talk. Have a wonderful day.
Until next time.
See you later.